You think bees just make honey? Think again. They're responsible for one of the most important jobs on Earth, and without them, you might not survive. Bees pollinate over 75% of the food you eat. But did you know a single bee makes only 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime? And yet, a hive produces up to 100 pounds of honey a year. But here's where it gets crazy. Bees recognize human faces. That's right. They remember you, friend or foe. And if a bee stings, it releases a chemical signal that alerts other bees to attack. And the scariest part? If bees disappeared, humans could follow within 4 years.